Here's everything you need to know about Concrete Driveway Cost Calculator, what you should pay. Here's what you need to know. A breakdown of material costs, labor rates, and hidden fees for a standard driveway. Quick answer: a concrete driveway costs 10 to 13 per square foot for basic broom finish, or 16 to 28 for stamped concrete. Most driveways run 4,000 to 15,000 total. Demo of existing concrete adds 3 to 4 per square foot. Moving on to how much does a concrete driveway cost? A concrete driveway costs 10 to 13 per square foot for basic broom finish, or 16 to 28 per square foot for stamped concrete. Most residential driveways range from 4,000 to 15,000 total depending on size and finish. Next up, concrete driveway pricing by finish type. Finish type price per square FT minimum job. Basic broom finish, no rebar, 10-114000. Broom finish with rebar 12-13. Stamped concrete, no rebar, 16-176, 500. Stamped concrete, with rebar, 18-19. Let's talk about additional costs to factor in. Demo and replace existing concrete plus 3-4 per square foot, 1,500 minimum. Pump line mix, difficult access, plus 0.40-0.50 per square foot plus 1,200 pump fee. Rebar upgrade plus 2 per square foot, included in upgraded pricing above. Here's the deal with example driveway costs by size. Driveway size SQFT basic broom stamped. Single car 200-3004 0006, 500. 2 car 400-5004 400-5 5007 200-9 500. 3 car 600-7506 600-8 25010 800-14 250. Large/extended 800-1 2008 800-13 20014 400-22 800. Now let's look at what's included in the price. Quality concrete driveway installation includes site preparation, grading, compaction, and gravel base. Concrete materials, 4,000 psi fiber reinforced mix. Professional installation, forming, pouring, finishing. Control joints, cut to prevent random cracking. Moving on to why rebar matters. Rebar reinforcement adds 2 per square foot but significantly increases driveway lifespan. For driveways that will support trucks, RVs, or heavy equipment, rebar is essential. Standard passenger vehicles can use unreinforced concrete, but we recommend rebar for any driveway expected to last 25 plus years. Next up, when you'll need a pump. Concrete pumps are required when the truck cannot back directly to the pour site. Common situations include backyard access through gates, steep or narrow driveways, distance greater than 200 feet from truck position, obstacles blocking direct access. For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.